Good morning student. Today we will start our new unit, that is a geometry. Or in this chapter is 10th chapter, that is the basic geometrical ideas. We will discuss about the 2D shape. 2D means 2 dimension, which has length and breadth only, which we can represent on a, we can say on a paper easily. Okay, see what is the geometry? In a mathematics, we deal some things, some terms like point, line, segment, ray, plane, plane figure, closed figure, like these type of things, like triangle, square, circle. These all terms included in the geometry. We will study these type of terms in a geometry. This is a part of a mathematics, we can say. Now in this geometry, first thing are point here. What is the point? We can say when we represent specific location of anything, then we always denote it by a dot to it. When we want to find out the, or when we want to represent the exact location of something, then we represent it by a dot. This dot is called a point. This dot is called a point. That suppose in whole this blackboard, I want to represent a point, exact point here. Then I represent it as a dot, and it is represented by always a capital letter. That we want to say, if we want to name the point, then we will do naming by a capital letter. So this is a point. It doesn't have any type of width, any type of thickness, length, breadth, nothing. It's simple dot, which is called point and denoted by or represented by a capital letter. You can say this one A, this one B, C, this type of thing called a point. The next term now see, line. Line is what? Line is a collection of points, we can say. A line we show which we can extend in both direction infinitely. It means it is a line, this one is a line, and it has length, we can say. It has length. It has no end point. It means we don't know from where we are starting this line and where we are ending this line. These arrow representing that both lines can be extended, both points, we can say both sides we can extend it infinitely direction. So this is called a line. Suppose if we want to represent AB a line, how to represent? We represent by this. It means this one shows that AB is a line here. It doesn't have fixed length. It has length, but it doesn't have fixed length. Line की कोई भी fixed length नहीं होती है. We can, because we can extend it in both direction infinitely. It means इसको दोनों डायरेक्शन में इनफाइनाइटली कितना भी एक्सटेंड किया जा सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड अ लाइन. You can represent this one AB. We can represent this one line BA also. Some important facts about the line, that line has a infinite, or we can say so many number of points we can say lie on a line. on a line we can say every line has so many points on itself. Second thing we can say, from a single line, infinite line can pass through a point. On a line from this point, infinite line can pass through it. But if we have 2 fixed point, then we can draw only one line. It means only one line can pass through 2 given points. These 2 points is given to you, then only one line exists which one pass through these 2 points. 2 lines intersect always at one point. 2 lines intersect at a one point. Again listen, what is the important fact about the line? किसी भी line पे infinite number of points exist कर सकता है. Second thing, किसी भी लाइन पर अगर हम एक पॉइंट ले लिए जाए तो इस पॉइंट से इनफाइनाइट लाइन पास हो सकती है. थर्ड पॉइंट, कोई भी 2 पॉइंट अगर हमें गिवन है तो इन दोनों पॉइंट से पास होने वाली ओनली वन लाइन है. इफ वी हैव 2 लाइन्स, अगर हमारे पास 2 लाइन्स है तो दोनों लाइन्स एक दूसरे को एक सिंगल पॉइंट पर ही इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे. सो दिस इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ पॉइंट एंड लाइन. लाइन इज नॉट पॉसिबल विदाउट पॉइंट. So firstly we studied about the point. Point is what? Point is the exact location in the plane we can say, or anywhere which is denoted by the dot and represented by a capital letter. और कोई भी 2 पॉइंट से जब हम पॉइंट्स को आपस में ज्वाइन करते हैं तो इट फॉर्म्स अ लाइन. इसको लाइन क्यों कहा जाता है? बिकॉज इट हैज़ नॉट फिक्स लेंथ, इट हैज़ नो एंड पॉइंट. हमें नहीं पता है कि वो लाइन कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रही है और कहाँ जाकर एंड होगी. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द प्लेन. See in this plane, what is the plane? Plane we can see basically a flat surface. When we see notebook, नोटबुक का जब हम कवर देखते हैं, दिस इज अ प्लेन. यू कैन टॉक अबाउट योर डेस्कटॉप. डेस्कटॉप की जो स्क्रीन है, दिस इज अ प्लेन. वॉल ऑफ ए रूम, दिस इज अ प्लेन. तो दिस ऑल आर द प्लेन. इफ वी टेक एनी पॉइंट, there is no need that in this point all the points lie on the same line. AB we can say same line AC, but A, B, C all 3 these points are not in the same line but in the same plane. We can exist, we can say like this book, this surface is a plane. I can take anywhere this point, suppose point A here, B here, C here, and this plane I can extend it in any direction. It means I can extend like this, I can extend like this. In any direction I can extend this plane. Next is vertical and horizontal line. What is the vertical and horizontal line? See, we know about the left and right. When we join the point from left to right or right to left, then this is called the horizontal line. It means if I am putting the duster like this, then this is a horizontal. If we are taking the points up and down position, then it forms a vertical line. This type of line is called horizontal, and this type of line is called vertical. Or if any line is sliding like this, then this type of line is called oblique. So horizontal, when you join left to right anything, then this is called horizontal line. Up and down, vertical line, that should be a straight, not like this that you are saying this one is vertical. Up and down, it means straightly we are saying up and down. Then we can say this is a vertical line. So we can discuss horizontal line, vertical line, oblique line according to their position. Left to right move in a straight line, it means it is a horizontal line. Up and down we are moving, or we can say if I put duster like this, then this is, we can say, vertically. Or if I am putting this duster like this, then this is, we can say, horizontally. Now see next type of lines, that is a parallel line. Before parallel line, I want to tell a intersecting line. Intersecting of line is what? If two lines cut each other at a single point, then these two lines are intersecting line. Non-intersecting line, suppose I am taking these type of line, then these we can say non-intersecting lines. But what is the parallel line? If two lines are like this, that they never meet each other, अगर दो लाइन इस तरह से ड्रॉ की जाए, they never meet each other whenever we extend, either we extend in any direction, किसी भी डायरेक्शन में उसको अगर हम एक्सटेंड कर दिए जाए, we are extending in this direction or maybe this direction, they never meet each other. It means they never intersect each other. Then these type of lines are called parallel line. Parallel line, if two lines are such in a way that they never meet each other or they never intersect each other, we can say these lines, two lines are said to be parallel line. Now what we can say about the parallel line? In parallel line, if we take these type of perpendicular distance, then these distance are always equal. See here, if we are talking about this notebook, this line and this line, if you extend it, they never intersect each other. It means these two lines are parallel line. Similarly, these two lines are parallel line. If two lines are like this time they are not intersecting each other. So can we say that these lines are parallel lines? See, try to extend. If I extend these two lines, then in this direction they are intersecting each other. It means these type of lines are not parallel lines. So what is the parallel line? Two lines in such a way that they never meet each other or they never intersect each other, either we are extending in any direction. किसी भी डायरेक्शन में उन लाइन्स को एक्सटेंड करने पर अगर वो लाइन्स एक दूसरे को कभी भी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करती है, कभी भी एक दूसरे से मिलती नहीं है, it means these type of lines are called parallel lines. Next topic is our rays. Rays is what? Rays, suppose one person is here and he is watching towards sun. Then sun rays come here. Yes or no? So it has one end point, then they are extending, it depends where the person is standing there. Now see, it means what is the rays that it has one point, it is a part of line. This is also a part of line which has one end point. It means one point is fixed and other point we don't know that where we will get the, we can't define the length of this ray. Ray has only one end point, means ये कहाँ से start होता है ये तो हमें पता है, but ये कहाँ जाकर end होगा we don't know. It means we can extend it only one direction. लाइन को हम दोनों डायरेक्शन में एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं, दैट्स वाई इट हैज़ नो एंड पॉइंट. बट रे को हम ओनली वन डायरेक्शन में एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं, इट मीन्स इट हैज़ वन एंड पॉइंट, बट स्टिल इट हैज़ नॉट फिक्स्ड लेंथ. रे की भी कोई फिक्स लेंथ नहीं होती है. लाइन ऑल्सो नॉट हैव द फिक्स्ड लेंथ. Ray, how to denote? Suppose I write down A and any point B here, then I can denote the ray AB. This is read as ray AB. Okay, the next is the line segment. Line segment is what? It is also a part of line which has fixed length. Suppose इस line में से मैंने इसको 5 सेंटीमीटर फिक्स कर दिया. इट मीन्स मेरा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट भी मुझे पता है और एंडिंग पॉइंट भी मुझे पता है. तो इट हैज़ फिक्स्ड लेंथ. सो लाइन सेगमेंट हैज़ टू एंड पॉइंट एंड इट हैज़ फिक्स्ड लेंथ. इट इज ऑल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ लाइन. सो दिस इज ए लाइन सेगमेंट एंड लाइन सेगमेंट जनरली डिनोटेड बाय ओनली ए बी और लाइक दिस. इट मीन्स इफ आई डिनोटेड एनीथिंग लाइक दिस, then what is the meaning of first one? It is the line PQ. This one is a ray PQ and this one is a line segment PQ. Okay, see the next topic, plane figure. Plane figure C, suppose, okay, one more thing I want to tell firstly, if there is a house and one person is there, he want to go at his house, then maybe it can follow this one path, maybe this one path, or maybe this one path. So what is the basically line segment? How to find out longest path or shortest path? These are, if you see, these are the longer path, but this one directly if joining person to his home, then it is the shortest path. It means line segment show the shortest path between two objects. कोई भी दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में अगर हमें शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ शो करना है तो वी कैन डिनोटेड बाय द, we can find out by the line segment. अगर हम इस तरह से जा रहे हैं, it means it is something like curvy path, not a straight path. So we can't say that this is the shortest path. Which is the shortest path? Which denotes the line segment between two objects. Now see, if any figure is given to you and all the points lies on it, then this is called a plane figure. It means if all the points lies on a same plane, then it is called a plane figure. In this plane figure, we can say, suppose this figure is like this and this. There is 2 point PQ and this one this figure, if P wants to go towards Q, then he can go directly. But in this, if we want to go, then he will go like this. So add P to Q and again Q to P, return to the same point. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ है अगर सेम पोजीशन पर आकर रुकता है तो इट मेक्स ए क्लोज फिगर. In this also, this is a closed figure or not? We can say that this is also coming on the same point, then this is a closed figure. But if a person start from here and end here, then it is called a open figure. If any object, anything, any person returning to the same point, then it is called a closed figure, or this one is called a open figure. And in these two closed figure, you are seeing properly that this is a simple closed figure. This type of figure is called simple closed figure. Okay, now see exterior and interior of closed figure. You know very well the word exterior. Exterior means outside. Interior. Interior means inside. Any point if lies inside of the plane figure, inside of the closed figure, then it is called interior of the figure. If any point lies outside of the closed figure, then it is called exterior point of the figure. Or if any point lies on the closed figure, it means it lies figure itself. So this region, these all divided into region, exterior, interior region, exterior region and region itself. So this region itself divided into two regions, interior and exterior. If anything inside of any figure, then it is called interior. Outside of the figure, then it is called exterior. And lies on the region, then we can say it is a region itself. So these terms basically related to your geometrical ideas. These are the 2D figure. Now see, suppose any figure is given to you. In this figure, write down the name of line segment. Can we write down? See here, line segment, this AB is a line segment. AE is a line segment, EC is a line segment, AC we can say. Similarly here, this one line segment, CD line segment, AD line segment. So we can write down the name of the line segment in this given figure. We can write down the name of the points, point A, point B, point C, point D, point E. Suppose this is a closed curve or open curve. See, if I start from A, then when you move it, then it again terminate on the point A. Means जहाँ से हमने start किया है वहीं आकर ये रुक रहा है. It means this is a closed figure and any point lies inside it, then it is called the interior of the closed figure. That is point F. Or what is the exterior point? We can say G is the exterior point of this given figure. Now students, your 10A exercise based on these terms, these definitions. So you can do very well. Okay student, do complete your 10A exercises. Thank you.